Therefore, Yamamuni Akwaba, about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, yes, and there, your first time we have subscribing and clicking notification bell on the so MIN. We understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. Na send your what say sound no matter na see if you say same way there. Me here what drink share. Send your best subscribing and that screen so no. We are now we nya adomane so no so na that screen so no yen sa pepe MIN. We are your number na at that screen now send over to me a friend now na yen atwetwe nkomo. Say what friend now sa ankan ya. Just send us a message. Sending a message, we'll get back to you. Either say yen be free one and say be my free back. Naturally say you know what you come your Facebook page and so link no our description box no just share yen sa pepe MIN. Na yanko and then some so say video be go viral. Especially me who are Instagram, but we call a Facebook and so and go for a lot of blogs air na video no say a TV show be entertainment show be a one more say entertainment review show be a one more a xylophone TV na nkrofo better na say people who are big in entertainment scenes. I've seen videos of producers bloggers better na say ekasa na we bulldog ono nso you be a wota ekosa show ne so pa na bulldog ko make statement say Nana Akufo-Addo kra no wo hwa Shatta Wale a very popular singer. Not just say Nkrofo Shatta Wale kra a sing President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. When in sema Bulldog Ekokan was shown so. But before Bulldog Beka same way was shown so say Beka I think 2 weeks ago. That same show Bulldog koso wakoka say Eno Baroni Eno rapper no. Wasi wonu Bulldog no wode ne sika the last penny beto so say Eno sa akode ya free battle emo a Eno better sa akode asay no. Say news no so be da na kese wo Ghana and also sa show ne so na Bulldog kan ti this week there wakoto ya na this week bomba wakoto wo show ne so ne say wo hwa na Akufo-Addo no wono kra no Shatta Wale very popular singer no na say Nkrofo nim Shatta Wale kra sing no na waka asem no etiefo wo hwa comments eba Nkrofo asopan pa say Nkrofo di na tem no enye bini na mekra metes asem na me say na Bulldog aden sa show no opese show no gidin na ye o sheda ko show ne so kotototo bombia na because that's an answer wo ko show ne so ansem wo kwa keka no dey na wo ko no ko ka sa akode ensem no na meka so it was around that same time and Shatta Wale so say wo ne Beyonce njum ne ba ya Shatta Wale so kototo bi ma sa akode wo xylophone no into na meka say no it's a calculated attempt against sa akode by Shatta Wale ne camp. Now this week cause we are also say Nana Akufo-Addo no wo hwa Shatta Wale a very popular singer. Obi nso ngwaka na yente Shatta Wale is bigger than NDC and NPP. And I'm say na ngrofo yi sabe moada na say then. No one is taking that away say Shatta Wale is not a big artist. Everyone knows that Shatta Wale is a big artist. But you can't tell me Shatta Wale is popular than the president of Ghana. Dabi, you can't tell me that. Even in the country Ghana, akolake tuakra like seriously, over some time say Shatta Wale a popular saying the president of the country. Ewo man we mu. Woko amaya man bebrea. Wo bia enim kra no. When him say wo Ghana president ni. But obetumi akwa amaya maya wo bi enim Shatta Wale din. Ghana has said yes, me to me atro say ebetumi aba say yenim Shatta Wale. Obi anim obi a Shatta Wale ye. But woko other countries are Inti no oba Ghana, obi anim Akufo-Addo, obi anim Shatta Wale. Oko other countries are. Obi wo ho a, wonim Akufo-Addo just because he's a diplomatic personality. He's the president of Ghana. Donald Trump enim Akufo-Addo. But me to me actually say Donald Trump say wonim Shatta Wale. Ebia Beyonce ne album aba na Donald Trump bet say Beyonce ne njum na wo so na afi wo de hu Shatta Wale na we ya. What you say? Into no, if you tell me, say generally Shatta Wale is popular than the president of the country. For me, I see say wa violate. That statement doesn't actually make sense. Now, me person me call into the comments. Now me read the comments ni be a tremo. Now, send ya me tremo again. Once a tremo again, ya main di Bulldog atem. Bagana de wa when him say enyo biana. Wobetumi atrena densa nkofo bebre ebedi Bulldog atembie because they saw it as Bulldog was trying to attack the personality of Akufo-Addo. Me, I thought the Bulldog was just saying his mind, even though me who say what he's saying is wrong. No, I think there's no need to say over begin at them. Also, what pointer make it known. Member MBD a Bulldog at them. Into no it's here for me. Person be reading some of the comments at Tremo. Bulldog no comments nibi. Na yes attended Ghana for a dino no. Me person be reading some of the comments no at Tremo na. Yakoshe obi asema walker was say talk is cheap. Not to say kasa de ne boafo na wo Bulldog de kasa and a walker. So we also say King Promise is not delivering, but we won't allow you to disrespect him like that. Why? Not to say so who nima President Akufo-Addo in refer to Nidin King Promise. Not to say na say kasa bi obe kasa bi a war promise one year na the nipa we can was say King Promise is not delivering. Not to say Akufo-Addo no enyama waka so be ye no one year but yeah ma won kwan say won be disrespecting sa yeah ma kwan say won be gina nenim ana won be bu nenim tiasa obi nso say excuse me, why is an entertainer being compared to a president? Like comparing Jay-Z to Donald Trump. Bro, Jay-Z may rule in the entertainment world, but Donald Trump calls the shot for America as a continent. And see, when I will be Erkan, was say, get out of here. Not all Ghanaians are dumb so much to vote Shatta for president, even if we may be NDC or CPP. Hey, Bulldog, if you guys say Ghana be area for Nima Wehu. I know the same will be can say, we share Jay-Z and Donald Trump. A bit to me about say about entertainment at Jay-Z be ruling, but Donald Trump will be a walk shot. Not just say Jay-Z I say. What you say. Now Bulldog waka source no. I say more this source so a chunk of Funsun Kran say or say Shatta Wale standing for president against John Mahama and Akufo-Addo. Shatta Wale will win hands down. Just say the Akufo-Addo aye Shatta Wale standing for president and the year 2020 elections are Shatta Wale will Shatta Wale actually win hands down. And then there's my Bulldog so was also at the can one a chunk of Funsun Kran say now papa penny mu say pan wo kasa to say akola de sebe odwenyansa wo kasa na asema wo bi nso e kan say wudin ne wa adwen ye pe eno ne asema wo bi kan say wudin ne wa adwen ye pe say na ye friend Bulldog me tese ne ba kono person to say odwen to say kraman obi nso say Bulldog argument was not about political experience but just on popularity basis. I say he got a point because just on Instagram alone, Shatta Wale got 1.7 million followers, while Akufo-Addo got 600,000 followers. That was what Dogman was trying to say. When it will be defense of what they Emma Bulldog. Once I send their bar, you don't expect everyone to be on one side. And they will be kind of say Bulldog assembly work on. He has a point because social media. Shatta Wale say the followers on Instagram keke 1.7 million. And Akufo-Addo ni followers 600,000. In the nature say Shatta Wale very popular than Akufo-Addo. But I'll just say I mean this is I'll just say this is not the case. Social media doesn't work so. Oko America says here, oko check your friends say Jay-Z the followers are in do 1 million cry. Now so Yemfa say American new star bia waba ebia Tekashi 69. Me sure say work around who ni mo bia Tekashi 69 wo ye but one also your rapper wo America. But we be anim Jay-Z no and Tekashi 69 no ngo full kakre bi keke ni no but Tekashi 69 no followers cry o social media in Jay-Z. Into no that doesn't work so. Into no nipa we any argument na wo man no it just doesn't work so. Obi so say he's too foolish. Stupid man and then asema will be so can actually say send me din kan chel no and you obi an obe to me abekasa say oh Bulldog de oye na enye a ne ba kono bekasa kusa nkofo bebe be di atem obi si weak mind tese na adwum omre obi nso say jai Jimmy ne nkwasi akeka no and also ne asema obi kan nti o hwa nkofo bebre edi Bulldog atem bie pa say was say Shatta Wale very popular saying Akufo-Addo na Shatta Wale stande for elections and there Shatawale ebe winni over Akufo-Addo. Trewadwen e comment box no tie for medase.